Welcome to the introduction to nVision. nVision is a development environment for image processing. It uses a graphic approach for the programming, which allows for a significant time saving in comparison to traditional programming. This video will show the basic functions of the software by using an example. In the standard layout, the user interface contains the workspace, the menu on the top, and the browser on the left-hand side. In order to open a picture, you have to enter the File menu or use the folder symbol on the top left. Once the picture has been opened, it appears in the workspace as well as in the browser area. Cameras can be included just as easily. Supported cameras are recognized automatically and shown in the menu. With a click on Start Live, the camera is initiated and the camera picture appears in the workspace. You can then, for example, adjust the zoom factor by using the mouse wheel. Now, the provided operations for image processing can be used. First, we suppress the image noise by using a Gaussian filter. We find it in the menu entering Filter Morphology, Gaussian. We next partition the black particles in the picture. For that, we use the threshold operation, which can be found in the menu when entering the Segmentation tab. Let's choose a threshold of 30. This singles out all pixels with a gray level lower than 30. You can, for example, just as well choose all the gray levels above that threshold. On the left-hand side of the workspace, nVision displays the subsequent operations. We are talking about a pipeline which can be saved and reused. All calculations are performed in a live picture, which allows the user to directly observe how changes in the picture and the camera settings affect the results. As 30 turns out to be a rather low threshold, we can increase it step by step till obtaining the desired effect. By using a threshold, we have created a region which highlights the black particles. If we want to obtain information about the individual particles, we have to separate them. In order to achieve this separation, we choose Connected Components in the menu. The individual particles are then highlighted in different colors. If you are satisfied with the image after having made all the desired adjustments, you have the possibility to stop the video and continue the image processing on the freeze image. In order to do so, you have to click on the camera icon. You can then use the blob analysis in the menu to continue to analyze the particles. Each particle is represented by a row in the spreadsheet. Which row equals which particle can already be deduced from the color, but can also be visualized by selecting the respective particle in the picture. Reversely, you can deduce the particle, which is represented by a certain row, by activating either bounds or equivalent ellipse and then ticking the box in the Show column. The commit command allows you to create and save a CSV file in order to use the measured data outside nVision. You can, for example, use Excel to read the file and work with it. We recommend to test the further operations provided in the menu in order to become more acquainted with nVision. nVision allows for the realization of much more complex operations, which we will be happy to present in subsequent videos. Thank you.